Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought it would be fun / entertaining / probably a terrible idea to follow my first ever makeup tutorial that I posted on YouTube, and I'm definitely not the first person to have done this. I've seen loads of people do it before. I think Sophie Louise has done it, a lot of my YouTube friends have done it, and I'm not actually too sure who started this whole kind of video idea, but you know, I haven't done it before. I thought it'd be really interesting, and I've even gone as far to put on the same exact outfit and necklace that I was wearing in that video from 3.5 years ago. You guys are probably gonna cringe, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I also just wanted to say a really big thank you for all of your guys' love and support and lovely comments on my kind of life update video. I got so many nice comments from you guys, and I was reading through them all yesterday, and I'm sorry that I haven't like replied to everyone. It was like a lot of stuff to read through, but I just want to say a massive thank you if you left me a nice comment on that video. Yeah, you guys have all just been so lovely, so thank you. I think what I'm going to do now, instead of notification shout outs, I feel like I'm going to do question of the day or something, so that you guys can ask me a question and I answer it, because I feel like that's a bit more interactive. I think I'm going to do that at the end of the video, like I'll start doing question of the day or something, because I know that quite a few other YouTubers do that, and I just think it's quite a cool idea. So if you guys have a question, let me know down there and use the hashtag question of the day. So I've actually managed to find some of the exact same products. The video was posted on, let's see, 7th video on my channel, which I posted on the 13th of March 2015, and it was the first makeup tutorial on my channel. My videos before then were like Primark haul, nail care essentials, a nail art tutorial, and like top 10 lipsticks and stuff like that. So it was my first makeup tutorial. It's called the Drugstore Neutral Makeup Tutorial 2015, and I have managed to source pretty much all of the products and the brushes, which probably have not been washed since that video because I don't use them anymore. I found them in a pot, they were very dusty, so I just kind of gave them a little swirl around on one of these things, and they're probably going to break me out, but it's fine. I'm doing it for the video. Okay, here we go. Ooh, we got an advert. We got an advert for Instagram. That's very rare. I don't normally get good adverts on my videos. Oh my god. Why did I used to do such cringy intros? How long is this intro gonna be? Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this makeup look. Okay, first off, my voice in this. My voice, when I first started my channel, I used to put on a really high-pitched voice because I was nervous, and then when I was editing my videos, I was like, oh, my voice sounds really high. So then I went through a phase of lowering my voice loads. So like, maybe like a year into my YouTube channel, my voice got really deep because I was consciously making my voice deeper so that it didn't sound ridiculously high like in these videos. And I feel like now my voice is probably about how it is when I talk in person. I'm not really sure, but like in my first few videos, I literally sound like a chipmunk. This makeup look, and it's a look that I wear quite a lot for parties and going out, and a look that I wear quite a lot for parties and going out, which I never did. I didn't used to go to parties. I went to the occasional party, but I didn't go to parties because I was too anxious and I never went out. I don't know why I said, this is my look for parties and going out. Because did I ever go out clubbing when I was 18? No, not once actually. I never went out clubbing when I was 18. So I've just lied to all of your faces. It's just a really easy and quick, shimmery, neutral eye look with a nude matte look. So I hope you enjoy this video. Oh, that's my eye.
Starting with a clean face, I'm just going to prime my eyelids with this L'Oreal True Match Concealer to cover over any discoloration or veins that are showing, and also to prime my eyelids before I apply the eyeshadow.
Okay, so going straight in with concealer, I just want to say I never used to do this. I always used to do my foundation first and then I would do my eyes, but I decided to do my eyes first when I started filming YouTube videos because that's what everyone else did, so I was just following them. So I've got the L'Oreal True Match concealers here, which is what I used. These actually look really gross. They're pretty much empty. Like, they're actually pretty much empty. I don't know why I've still got these or how I'm going to use them, but we'll give it a try. Also, in the video, I'm just focusing on one eye, but today I'm just going to do both at the same time. Concealing the eyes and then blending it in with my finger. Professional as always. Step 1, complete.
I'm then just going to powder over this so that the eyeshadows blend more easily.
Okay, so I'm powdering over it with my trusty Stay Matte and the exact brush that I used in this tutorial, which, like I said, I have not used in years, so nice and hygienic today. This right here was the Palette of Dreams. This is the MUA Undressed eyeshadow palette. These were like £4 in Superdrug. I don't even know if they still sell this.
Next, taking this shimmery champagne colour, I'm just going to use my finger to apply this all over my lid.
What am I doing? Okay, so I'm using this pink shimmery colour and I'm using my finger. God, I can't even get my nails in here anymore. I do not remember ever doing my makeup like this, but apparently this is what I used to do. Oh my gosh.
I'll leave all the links of where you can buy all the products I've used in this video in the description box below.
I actually sound about 5 years old.
I'm then taking a medium brown eyeshadow and using a fluffy blending brush by Real Techniques, I'm just applying this all into my crease. And
that is not a medium brown, that's like a light shimmery bronze. And I used to put shimmer colours in my crease, so why did I do this? Okay, so I'm using the exact same brush.
blending it quite far up.
Blending it quite far up? No, I literally just blended it here. I did not blend it far up.
It doesn't have to be that neat at this point, just work it all into the crease. Then taking a darker brown colour, I'm using the same brush and just again working this into the crease to intensify the look.
The number of times I said intensify this look in this video is actually ridiculous. Oh, so what are you doing? This looks so messy. It's another dark shimmery brown and we're adding that to the crease to intensify the look.
I'm applying this eyeshadow in a sweeping U-shaped motion. Here I'm just adding a little bit more to make it slightly more dark and intensify the look even more.
There we go, intensify the look even more.
The key to this look is just blending, blending, blending.
I hate to break it to you, Soph, but if you just keep blending your makeup with the same eyeshadow brush for 3 different colours, it's not going to get much more blended.
Next I'm taking a black colour on the same brush.
Going in with the same brush.
Again, just working that into the socket to make the look even more intense and to give you that really nice definition of the eyes.
Even more intense. Apparently this is defining my eyes.
Again, don't worry if things get a bit messy because we're going to blend everything out later.
Oh, thank God.
And then taking some of that same black colour and just working that onto the outer corner.
That's what I already did. What am I on about? God, this looks like a mess.
Next, on a small shading brush, I'm taking this light shimmery eyeshadow and applying this on the inner corners of my eye and also in the tear duct. And this is just to brighten up the eye.
I used to use this brush to like put eyeshadow on my eyelid. This is like the smallest brush I've ever seen. Why did I put it, like, I'm really confused. Why did I put a light shimmery pink all over my eyelid at the start? Like, that made no sense because I've literally just covered it all up. And then we're putting it back on. Okay, so putting that here. And then it also said I put this in my tear duct. I wouldn't recommend putting it in your tear duct. I think I meant to say inner corner.
I also took this about halfway across my lower lash line.
Why am I putting stuff on my lower lash line when I haven't done my concealer yet?
Using the same dark brown that we used on the lid, I'm going to apply this under my lash line to give my eyes some more definition.
Okay.
And I'm just taking this 3/4 of the way along my lash line. Next, I'm taking a clean, fluffy blending brush.
Finally!
And just blending everything out so that there's no harsh edges.
This used to be my favourite blending brush and it's still dirty. I should have washed these brushes before I did this video.
This is really important for this look so that you don't look crazy.
What? This is really important for this look so that you don't look crazy. Like, what is actually wrong with me? I feel like this is just doing not much. Like, it's just making my whole entire eyelid look muddy and like shimmery.
Then taking this felt tip eyeliner by Collection, I'm just applying a really thin line of this on my lash line first.
Okay, so I don't actually own this Collection liner anymore. So instead, I'm using the Soap & Glory Super Cat liner. Not the skinny one, this is the original one, which is about the same thickness as the Collection one was. So I am gonna do a line along my lash line first, which is what I normally do.
And I like to just kind of rest the felt tip above my eyelashes
Good
and
tip.
just kind of sweep it across. Then for the wing, as you can see, I went a bit wrong.
Yes, you did. What is that? What is that?
I'm just starting from the corner and dragging it inwards.
Oh my goodness
So I'm going to
me.
use a bit of my Garnier micellar water to just clean up the mistake.
How did I even do that? Let's watch that again. Okay, so instead of going this way, I used to go this way. So I would go, and like I did it really thin and really like upright and really short. So I just did that. That was my wing. And then I would drag it back in like that, and it was some little, I don't even know, like, what is this? I used to do the tiniest little wings in the world.
I'm then going to go back in with the eyeliner to make the line more crisp.
More
and
crisp?
Just as winged out as you want it, really.
So if that's not a crisp line, that's blunt. Okay, again, I don't own this mascara anymore because it was 3 years old, and if I'd have put that on my eyes would probably fall out. So I'm using a collection mascara instead, which is kind of similar. It's the Fast Stroke Defining Lash Mascara. They both got a plastic bristly brush, so I thought I'd use this one instead. Ooh, this looks very old.
Then using my Falsify HD Mascara by 17, I'm just going to apply a lot of coats to my eyelashes.
A lot
and
of
you
coats.
can use false eyelashes if you want, but I'm not very good with them, so I didn't want to mess up the look by trying them out in this video.
I'm still questioning why I did my under eyes before doing my foundation.
Then taking my Rimmel Match Perfection foundation, I'm pumping one pump onto the back of my
Did I
hand
just say I'm
and
pumping?
then applying. Then taking my Rimmel Match Perfection foundation, I'm pumping one pump onto the.
I'm pumping. I'm popping one pump onto the back of my hand.
Onto the back of my hand and then applying blobs all over my face, as you can see, looking a bit crazy.
Looking a bit crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why I ever, or why people still put foundation on the back of their hand. Because, well, I guess then if you were to dip your brush in it and do it from there, then you don't get it on your fingers. But I used to put it on the back of my hand, then scoop it up with my finger and then put it on my face. Whereas now, I literally just pump my foundation onto my finger so that I don't have to get the back of my hand messy. Just popping one pump onto my face. Looking a bit crazy.
And then taking a buffing brush, and yeah, I noticed a cat hair on my brush.
Just gonna buff that in. This shade was too dark for me then. And it's too dark for me now.
Blend it all out nicely. Make sure to blend it down my neck as well so you don't get any harsh lines.
I never used to do that either.
Then I'm just going to use my L'Oreal True Match Concealer
If I can get any out
and
of it.
apply this under my eyes to conceal my dark circles. And then I'm also applying this on any other areas where I need more coverage. So using patting motions, I'm just going to blend out the concealer under my eyes until it's fully blended.
I used to do this all the time. Like, I always used to just use my finger to do my concealer.
Then using my Stay Matte powder, I'm using a massive powder brush and applying this all over my face because as I have oily skin,
Oh.
I like to powder everywhere just so that the oil is under control.
Even mentioning that I had oily skin back then, it's still a tradition to this day. Okay, so this brow pencil, 1, is as blunt as it was back then. And 2, this is like kind of orange. I don't know why I used to use this all the time.
This eyebrow pencil from MUA, and I know I should have sharpened it before I started filming this video, but once I started filming I noticed, and then I couldn't be bothered to go sharpen it because I was already in the swing of
tail of
things.
my brow was like a square.
So I'm just going to fill in my brows how I normally do,
like that.
and then just draw a straight line down for my arch.
My arch was so like angular.
Then I'm using a clear mascara by Collection just to shape my brows to the shape I want them and to set them so they don't move around during the day.
So I brushed them up and then I would go along sideways and then I'd get to here and I would just go like straight down like that so that the tail of my brow ended up being so thin. Like, it wasn't rounded like this. I would brush all my eyebrows over here and then just go like this.
Sorry if anyone else gets annoyed by my hair. I know it gets really annoying at times.
What are you talking about?
So I'm then using my Sleek Face Contour Kit and a Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to work this into my imaginary cheekbones to give my face a bit more definition.
Oh my god, what am I doing? I used to just like start in the middle of my cheek like here.
So as you can see, I pull a really weird fish face while I'm doing this.
way. Oh my god, I didn't even put any on my forehead. I literally just used to contour my cheeks. And then I used the exact same brush to do my highlighter, which probably isn't recommended.
I'm then going to use the highlighter from this little face palette.
This was my first
on top of my cheekbones.
Ew. Oh, that smells really weird. I used to freaking love these sleek matte me lipsticks. My favourite one was Birthday Suit. I actually got rid of all the others because I just don't use them anymore.
And this is in the shade Birthday Suit, and I absolutely love it. It's in my drugstore top 10 lipsticks video.
Tickles my lips. This also smells gross. This has definitely gone off. What are these poses at the end of this video?
So, like I said, I will leave all the links to the products that I've mentioned in this video in the description box below. And thanks for watching, guys.
So I hope you enjoyed that makeup tutorial of my go-to party makeup. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Oh my god, I just can't get over how horribly awkward I was in that video. I feel like it really took me a long time to think about what I actually needed to say. Yeah, it's not the best, is it? So this is the overall makeup look. Okay guys, so that is it from me. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Hopefully this video was slightly more entertaining than that one from 3 years ago. I hope that I'm more interesting now because I feel like that video was incredibly boring and I said some weird things. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you think down there. If you have any questions, like question of the day, let me know because I will answer them in future videos if I remember. Sometimes I forget, but I'll try my best. I'm now gonna go edit this video. I really hope you guys are doing really, really well, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!